Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the grid size on your Google Pixel device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, press and hold on an empty area of your home screen wallpaper. This will bring up a menu with several customization options for your device's home screen appearance. Among these options, you'll see Wallpaper and Styles. Go ahead and tap on it to access the full range of visual customization features available on your Pixel. Once you're in the Wallpaper and Styles menu, you'll notice various options for personalizing your device. Look for the option labeled Layout and tap on it. This is where you can control how your apps and widgets are arranged on your home screen, giving you the flexibility to choose a layout that best suits your needs and preferences. Now you'll see 4 different grid size options displayed on your screen: small, medium, large, and XL. Each of these options determines how many app icons and widgets can fit on your home screen at once. The small grid allows for more icons packed closely together, which is perfect if you want quick access to many apps. The medium option provides a balanced layout that works well for most users. The large grid gives your icons more breathing room, making them easier to tap and creating a cleaner look. And finally, the XL option offers the most spacious layout with fewer but larger icons, which is ideal if you prefer a minimalist home screen or have accessibility needs. Take a moment to consider which grid size works best for your daily usage and visual preferences. Once you've made your decision, tap on your preferred grid size option. You'll likely see a preview of how your home screen will look with this new layout, allowing you to visualize the change before committing to it. After selecting your desired grid size, look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find an Apply button. Tap on it to confirm your choice and implement the new grid layout across your home screen. The changes will take effect immediately, rearranging your existing apps and widgets according to the grid size you selected. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Google Pixel's home screen grid size to match your personal preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.